Do you know what to say when you visit Central Park in New York? Today, you'll learn real American English while exploring this famous park with Rosa. Central Park is one of America's most famous parks. Let's walk together and learn English in real situations. When Americans visit a park, they often say, "Let's take a walk." Can you say that with me? Great. Take a walk means walking for fun, exercise, or relaxation. You'll hear this expression every day in America. Look, that map can help us. Excuse me, where is Bethesda Fountain?
Go straight, then turn left. These are common directions.
In American English. Go straight. Repeat after me. Go straight. Excellent. That's easy and useful. Now say, turn left. Americans use these directions everywhere, in parks, cities, and stores. Wonderful. Now we're getting closer to Bethesda Fountain. Let's keep walking together. Wow, this fountain is beautiful. Americans often say, "What a beautiful view." Repeat after me. What a beautiful view. Speak slowly and clearly with confidence. Next, we'll meet someone relaxing in the park and learn how Americans start friendly conversations. Hi, is this seat taken? That's a polite way to ask if you can sit next to someone. She says, "No, go ahead." That means you are welcome to sit here. You can answer, "Thank you." It's simple, friendly, and always appreciated. Go ahead means please continue, or it's okay. Native speakers use it every day. Let's ask another question. Do you come here often? This helps start a conversation.
Yes, almost every weekend. Repeat after me. Almost every weekend. Great job. Your pronunciation is getting better.
What's your favorite place in Central Park? Tell me in the comments. I love the lake. It's peaceful. Peaceful means calm and relaxing. Let's learn another useful sentence. I love this place. Americans say this when they really enjoy somewhere. Can you say it? I love this place. Nice. That sounds natural and friendly. Now, let's explore another famous spot where you'll learn even more everyday American English. This is Bow Bridge. It's one of the most beautiful places in Central Park. Let's learn more useful English here. When you like something, you can say, "It's amazing." That's a very common American expression. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Let's take a walk. Let's take a walk. Excellent. Now say, go straight, then turn left. Speak slowly and clearly. Great job. Next, repeat, "Is this seat taken?" That's a very polite question. Now say, "I love this place." Smile while you say it. It sounds more natural. Last one. Repeat, "What a beautiful view." Fantastic! You're sounding more confident already. Today, you learned directions, polite questions, and everyday expressions that Americans use in real life. Don't worry about speaking perfectly. Focus on speaking a little every day. Practice makes progress. Try using these expressions the next time you visit a park or talk with an English-speaking friend. Keep practicing with Rosa, and your English will become more natural, confident, and fluent every week. Did you enjoy today's lesson? Subscribe to Everyday English with Rosa, and I'll see you in our next real-life English adventure.